Welcome back. And today we are making one of my favorite crafts, which is a little purse. So what you need for this project is construction paper, scissors, pencil or a pen, a ruler. You need Velcro, just a little piece, and a glue gun, and one button. Very good. So you have your piece of paper. You're going to make 3 of these. So you fold it in half. Fold it again. Okay, so you fold it like this. Then from the inside, you fold it in half again. Press it, press it, press it, okay? Once you have this in half, it's going to fold, make a fold probably half an inch. And press it very well. Okay, so you have this one, and then you're going to make a fold in here. From the line, that's why these lines are important, the first folds, because the lines indicate where you are folding this part right here, okay? And then you fold it again in here. Okay. Then open the whole page. So the corners, this corner right here, you're going to add some glue, like that, and fold it in. Okay, so these corners right here, just a little bit of glue right there. Okay, and fold it. Here we go. Then going to start opening this and fold it like that. Okay. So you're going to glue these two right here. So once you open it, it tells you that you're gluing this right here. Just put a little bit of glue like that and fold it. Then glue right here. Okay, so you have one side, okay? Now glue in here. Fold it. And glue in here. Fold it. So you have a pocket like this. Okay. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now you're going to fold this part right here. I fold it first and then I add the glue. So you're folding this part right here. Now I'm folding this again. Okay. So I add the glue. All the way. That. Here we go. Okay. Okay. So this part right here, you're pushing this in and this up, like that. Like that. Okay, push it in. Put this in and this out. Here we go. So you have, we need more glue right here, okay? So you will have 3 pockets like this. 3. Now you're going to glue them together. So you have 2, and then 1 more. You have 3 pockets together, right there. There. Okay. Now you're going to cut your paper in half. So you have only half, okay? I'm going to fold it. And you're using the ruler 1 inch like this, and you fold it like that, okay? Then 1 inch right there, you fold it like that. Press it, open it, then push this in like that. This is for the top of your wonderful. So, okay, so I glue it right there. Glue stick. Okay, so you glue it right there. So you will have this one folded like that. Then glue it. So you're coming up, so like that. And I use a Velcro. Just cut a little piece of Velcro like this. Just a little bit. Okay, and remove the plastic that is on household, okay? So it has glue already. So you place it right in the center. Like that. Okay. Now for the handle, I cut a piece of paper, just the same size as the ruler. Okay, so it's about 1 inch and 12 inches long. Just the same size as the ruler. Okay, then I fold it to make it like this. So I glue this part like that. So I glue it like this all the way, and I end with something like this. Okay. So now you have the handle done. Fold your purse, close it, and be sure where are you gluing the handle? Right there. Okay? Like that. Okay, and on the other side, do it exactly the same height as the other one, like this. So you have the handle like that. Now I cut this piece of paper 1.25 inches, 1.25 inches long, wide, and 4 inches long. And I fold it like this. Okay, so you fold it, and you're going to make a bow, okay? So from the center, make 2 marks like this, probably like a quarter of an inch, like that. And then make like a circle, okay? Like that. And you're going to cut it. So this is the part of it that is folded right there. For the bow, okay? So put some glue in here, or can be here, doesn't matter. And fold it like that. Okay. And you put more glue in here, just a little bit of glue, like that. And you have the bow. Oops. Then just cut a little piece like this and glue it around like that. So you have a little bow for your purse, like that. Put it right at the center. Like that. Just nice buttons. You have some around or anything will work. Some glue on it. And put it on top, right there. And you have your little purse. If you don't have construction paper, you can use book pages, white for a bridal shower. You can put some goodies in here for a friend. And the red one, which is my favorite. So, thank you for joining me.